What up guys, we are back and today we are going to play,
Pokemon Go.
well this is not officially launched in India here, but we are eagerly waiting for it, but
It's on the hype.
and we are going to find it over here. See, it looks like real Pokemon trainer, right? I mean grounds, right? The tall
Okay.
grasses and
But I don't have much things near me.
so
Yeah.
let's get started guys, see you in a bit. So guys, we are ready to find some Pokemons, but the weather's pretty bad, it's raining
And we
and
don't have an umbrella or a wind.
so let's wish we get some prototypes.
Okay. Nah.
So guys, this is what I was talking about. You can see here,
The greenery.
no, I mean thick and tall grasses. There may be some Pokemons hiding in there right now. So
I got a side and a Slowpoke around here.
let's see if we can get some.
Pokemon.
Right. So there are only Rattatas in the area.
But we have a Psyduck and a Slowpoke in the radar.
Yep. Psyduck and a Slowpoke too. So
One
guys,
egg. Wow, one egg.
we just found an
Ivysaur.
Ivysaur in the area, and it's quite near.
We haven't found it, just in the radar.
Yep.
Yes, we got a Rattata.
Okay.
Rattata.
That's a Rattata, but let's just leave it. So this area is for Psyduck, I guess, because there
Yeah,
are
we
a lot
have
of
3 Psyducks.
3 to 4 Psyducks, right?
One Slowpoke and an Ivysaur.
So, well, let's see if
And we
somebody is
haven't
hiding in
got
there.
one.
Well, you can see there's a toy train over here. Yep. But we are just wondering for
So
some
a Paris. Also
Pokemons.
A
Pokemon.
Paris.
What is a Paris?
That crab.
Okay, that parasite.
No,
Right.
it's Parasect in its third form. Oh, Ivysaur is second.
Ivysaur is near.
Pidgey. Okay. Come on, Ivysaur.
Check that.
Yeah. Oh, it's second still.
Check the footsteps.
3.
Three footsteps.
Still. I hate it when that. Okay. There is something. There is 2 things, not 1 thing. 2 things.
So guys, we are in the wild forests of
Amazon.
no.
Nile.
Name some Pokemon villages or forests.
Pokemon Forest. The Viridian Forest or the beginning.
Alright.
The Viridian
So-
Forest.
That's our first something.
3.
Yep.
3. Go. 3.
So let's just see if we can find some Ivysaurs hiding over here.
There's only one.
Yep.
And we haven't found it yet.
So
That I think is not good, man. Not good. Okay. I think I should have bought an essence with me. I used
essence.
it.
Yes. This mad
I don't
fellow
know why.
used all the 3 essence you get. Well,
When you're
he's-
beginner.
and the curious people, he's just on level 5.
6.
Just a okay, 6, just a beginner. All right.
Okay, I'm not that.
Have you ever fought a gym battle?
I was just going to, but you got up with me.
All right. What's the track on Ivysaur?
It's there somewhere. Straight ahead.
We are finding it.
It's telling me that it's somewhere here.
Where? Did you see it?
Here. See, not an Ivysaur, but a Psyduck.
Oh,
It's
so
here.
guys, we found a Psyduck. All right.
Oh, it's
So-
128 CP for beginners. I missed it. Sorry.
So
And
This is a
because
good
I'm
start.
just a beginner, I've got 128 CP Psyduck.
so
Okay, so let's go. A Psyduck is there in. So I guess
Please.
there might be an Ivysaur.
there should be an Ivysaur.
Okay, a
Because-
Pidgey. A Pidgey. A Pidgey.
A wild Pidgey.
Okay, so not an Ivysaur, but 24 CP Pidgey.
Okay. But we have
wow.
to evolve our Pidgey
No, I actually got Pidgey.
to Pidgey. So evolve it to Pidgeot.
Oh, it's 650. Yeah, it's near. It's not that hard. Yeah,
Come, that's fine. What I found.
I found an Oddish.
Oddish.
Oh no, that's a radish.
So guys, unfortunately, the game
Phone
hanged.
Phone hang.
So
The Ivysaur.
We
flew
lost the
away.
Ivysaur.
Oh, okay. Weedle.
Weedle is no big deal, I guess.
Yes, a Weedle is a Weedle. And a Weedle is a Weedle.
So guys, we are in search of some rare Pokemons. Like I don't know if we can find
like
some.
Growlithe. Growlithe is rare. And Tentacool, but I have a Tentacool.
So that's cool. So guys,
We don't have
Yeah.
anything on radar.
yep. Oh, that's a squirrel. I mean, like real life Pokemon.
Squirrel painting. No, squirrel rat.
Yep, there's it. There it
Hey,
is.
squirrel, I catch you. No, it's running.
Go Pokeball!
No, it ran away once again.
Alright, well, that was cute though. Actually, this is going to cost you a lot because of the internet. Well, I'm getting tired, alright. So
Let's go. That
please.
it is right here.
please, some rare Pokemon come to us and we'll catch you. And then you will stay happily ever after. We just got a
Nothing.
Pidgey,
Weedle.
Weedle,
And one more, a Rattata.
and a Rattata, alright. So they were all the common types, I guess.
Yep, common, very
So-
much common.
We just
Go,
wish,
run.
we just wish
Go,
to
run.
catch some more.
Try to catch them more.
Yep, we just wish and try. It's a normal day for us walking through the tall grasses to find some Pokemons.
It's not a normal day. It's just a week before which Pokemon was released in India.
Yep.
And I hate that thing. And it's not even official.
I guess in India it will take more 10 days to release. So guys, we got nothing
No, except that
interesting,
profile,
right?
yeah.
Just some Bellsprout, Jigglypuffs, and
Caterpies, Rattatas,
Weedles.
Pinsir. No, not a Pinsir.
Pinsir was on the radar, Ivysaur was on the radar.
And the grass.
We were just going to get Ivysaur.
We
Man.
got just the new side.
Yep. New Pokemon is the Psyduck. Right. I forgot about him. Or her. Comment if you want some more Let's Play. If you want, we can do the series. We have no problem, but yeah.
We need some nice area. Thank you for watching.
Thank
the
you for
video.
watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you want more of these Let's
And
Plays.
check out the other videos.
Yep. And check out the other videos. Tell your friends about it. And thank
Share
you
as
all.
much as you can.
Thank you all for those loyal subscribers and the loyal viewers who view almost all of my videos every week. Alright, guys. Peace.
Boom.
I'm going to start with guitar.
Guitar. Chords.
Sound.
Sound. Music.